supper started this afternoon, y'all. It's just 1:30. We're gonna put some cube steaks in the slow cooker. I normally make these on the stovetop and then put them in the oven, or either I just make them all the way on the stovetop, but this time we're gonna make them in the slow cooker. So I got it sprayed. Cece brought me the cube steaks from the other refrigerator. She's back from her weekend getaway. She went on a sleepover all weekend. First, I'm gonna put in 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. With 1 can of water. And we're gonna put in this 1 pack of onion gravy. Now we're gonna mix all this together. I know, I think so, yeah. Tomorrow, y'all, the high's only gonna be 40. I knew there were a couple of days coming. I thought they were a little further on down the week, but it's tomorrow. It's already cooling off a little bit today. It's in the 50s. We had some really nice 70-something degree days there, feeling like spring, little spring preview days. That always happens, though. Now we're gonna put the cube steaks in, and later all we'll have to do is mix a little bit of cornstarch with some water to add in here to thicken up the gravy. Alright, now we just put the top on. It's going to cook on high for 3 hours. Alright, the cube steaks have about 1 hour and 17 minutes left, yeah, until time for us to add the cornstarch. Then they will cook about 20 more minutes after that. But we're gonna go ahead and make biscuits. I'm making some sour cream biscuits because I have a lot of sour cream that I need to use up from when we got it on sale a while back. It's not a whole lot. I think I've got like maybe 2 cartons of it left that I need to use before the date is up, because, you know, sour cream doesn't freeze very well. So we've got 2 cups of all-purpose flour in there. I'm gonna get my whisk and just whisk that around to break up any clumps. Kids are outside enjoying the trampoline before the 40s come back tomorrow. Now we need half a teaspoon of salt. Oh, and I've got the oven preheated to 400. There's the salt. We need 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, we'll whisk that all together. Now we're going to put in 1 beaten egg and 2/3 of a cup of milk. And the last thing we need is half a cup of sour cream. I'm going to measure it out here. Now a lot of times I hand roll the biscuits, but as you can see, this dough is a little softer than what I normally make, so we're going to put some flour down. Pour this onto the flour. It's really soft, so you're probably going to have to add more flour in here. Okay, now we've got a nice soft dough. So I'm going to spread this out and we'll grab the rolling pin. We're going to roll it out until it's about 3/4 of an inch thick. Now we're just going to cut the biscuits out and put them on the pan. Yeah, I'm going to need the bigger one. They're going in the oven for 10 to 14 minutes.
outside.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's sick of the trampoline.
Oh, is he? So he wanted to get off the trampoline?
Yeah.
Okay, we've got our cornstarch mixture here. I just put a couple of tablespoons of cornstarch and a couple of tablespoons of water. So we'll pour it in here. Let's pour that in. I'm just going to stir it around a little and then we'll let it keep cooking for about 20 more minutes.
Cube steak and gravy tonight, everybody. That's really good. A lot of flavor there, good. I'm not gonna break this one in half. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right on the top here, because this one right here is gonna be good dipped in a little bit of that gravy. Really good. Dip it in that gravy, stop it up. It's good.
It's alright.
Hey, Tyler. Oh, Mama.
It's okay.
You mop over there?
I can do it again, it's fine. You can run through. I got a mop over there again anyway.
You got a good radio, boy.
It actually is a pretty good little radio.
It really is, yeah.
It's on his four-wheeler. Y'all better enjoy. It's gonna be cold tomorrow again for a minute.
Spring is over, everybody. It's back in winter time on us.
It was our pre-spring. We always have a few of those pre-spring days.